If you ask most professionals in Kenya how they plan to invest in real estate, they will tell you one of two things. I am saving to buy land and build apartments, or I'll start with one unit, then slowly build a portfolio. It sounds responsible, it sounds ambitious, but in most cases, it's the exact reason why they stay stuck for years. Because here is what actually happens. You buy land, then wait. Eventually you start building, then stall. Or buy one apartment, then struggle to buy the next. 5 years later, you have made effort, but very little progress. In this video, I'm going to show you why buying existing apartment blocks is a far more effective strategy than building from scratch, especially if you're a busy, high-income professional. And more importantly, I will show you how this shift can dramatically accelerate your path to financial independence. Hello, I'm Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I've worked with professionals across Kenya, and I've seen this pattern again and again. Smart people, good income, strong intentions, but stuck in slow, inefficient real estate strategies. And when they shift their approach, everything changes. If you want a smarter, more structured way to approach real estate, stay with me. And if you find this valuable, subscribe and share it with somebody who needs to hear this. Let's start with a big misconception. Most people believe that the best way to invest in real estate is to build your own property. It feels logical because you control everything. You design it your way. You feel you are creating value. But here is the truth. Building is not investing. Building is a development project, and development is a completely different game. Let's break this down and look at the reality of building from scratch honestly. Number one, it requires significant capital. Before you even start building, you need land, design, approvals, contractors, and so on. And costs are rarely predictable. Number two, it takes time. Construction doesn't happen overnight and delays are common. Costs escalate and projects stall. During this time, you earn zero income. Number three, high risk, low visibility. When you build, you don't know actual rental demand. You don't know real occupancy levels. You don't know true operating costs. You're making assumptions, and assumptions introduce risk. Number four, it demands your time. Let's be honest. You're a busy professional. You already have a demanding career and already have limited time. Now, you're trying to manage contractors, approvals, budgets, delays. That's a full-time job. So, what happens? Most people start, slow down, get overwhelmed, or never even finish. And years go by with very little progress. Now let's look at the second path and discover the hidden problem with one apartment at a time, or buying individual units. It feels safe because of the lower entry costs, it's easier to understand, and feels manageable. But here is the problem. Number one, you buy at retail price. Developers price for profit. You're buying at the highest price point. Number two, returns are compressed. Once you factor in loan repayment, service charges, vacancies, your actual return is often weak. Number three, single tenant risk. This is critical. When your one tenant leaves, you have zero income. There is no buffer. Number four, scaling is slow. To build meaningful income, you need multiple units. That takes years and significant capital. So again, you're active but not progressing effectively. Now let's look at the strategy that changes everything. Buying existing multi-unit rental properties. It works because you're not starting from zero. You are acquiring something that's already working with immediate income, and this is the biggest advantage. The property already has tenants. That means rent is coming in from day one. Cash flow is visible and performance is proven. Number 2, reduced risk. You're not guessing because you can see the occupancy levels, the rental history, and expenses. This gives you clarity. Number 3, easier financing. Banks are more comfortable financing income generating assets because the property supports repayment. The risk is lower and cash flow is predictable. Number 4, multiple tenants means stability. This is a major advantage. With 20 or more units, one tenant leaving doesn't collapse income. Vacancy risk is spread. Cash flow is more stable. Number 5, faster progress. Instead of buying one unit at a time and waiting years to scale, you acquire scale from day one. Well, let me simplify this. Building strategy: no income initially, high effort, high uncertainty, long timeline. Buying existing property: immediate income, lower risk, proven performance. Faster results because you're not trying to create value. You are acquiring value that already exists. The real reasons professionals get this wrong, and this is important, it's not about money, it's about mindset. There are some common beliefs such as, I need to build to make money. Big properties are for rich people. I need to start small. But the reality is, what you need is the right structure, the right strategy, and the right guidance. And once that changes, your entire trajectory changes. Let's compare two professionals. Professional A buys land and starts building. Takes 3 to 5 years. No income during that period. Professional B acquires an existing 20-unit building. Income starts immediately. Loan is supported by the rent. Who progresses faster? Professional B, every time. If you understand this early, you gain an advantage most people never have. You can avoid years of delay, reduce risk, build income faster, and focus on what actually works. Let me ask you, which path were you considering before you watched this video? Building from scratch? Buying individual units? Let me know in the comments. Now, here's the truth. Understanding this is one thing. Implementing it is another. Most people will agree with this, think about it, but never act. Why? Because they lack a clear path. They lack structured guidance, and they lack step-by-step support. If you're watching this and you're beginning to realize that building from scratch or buying one unit at a time may not be the most efficient path, then the next step is not to rush into a deal. It is to get clarity. What I normally do with professionals in your position is sit down with you, look at your current financial position, and map out what your real estate path could actually look like based on your numbers, not assumptions. If that would be useful, please apply for a strategy session with me using the link in the description below. If you found this valuable, like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs to see this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.